of we have to understand ecosystem. Sorry. We have to understand environment and ecology. Yes, what is the meaning of ecosystem? And I suppose that you must be knowing. Yes? Okay. I said that you know that with the help of organs, an organism come into existence. You know that? And this organism becomes a species. That organism becomes a species. This is a species 1, and that is, I said that suppose it is frog. It is a species 2. organic we need, I said starch, we need lipids, we need fats, proteins. Yes. So they are constituting, what I said that? यहाँ पे सिल्का वगैरह, whatever you can write. So from the mountains and the soils we are getting in the soil, these are the things are there. And then organic compounds into the soil, they are giving us what I said, that starch, lipids, fats, proteins and all. And a part of it, there is a physical, it is a light, temperature, moisture, air, water. Understood? So we always, what we are doing? We always, our biotic community is always interacting with, I said that, a biotic community. Our biotic community is always interacting with which one? A biotic community. Yes or no? So there is an interaction between, you know that जितने भी biotic, what is the definition of biotic community? Population of different species in a given geographical region. अभी मैंने पिक्चर बना के पूरा दिखाया था. देयर इज ना, घर में बाहर जाओगे तो आपको क्या दिखेगा? नंबर्स ऑफ एंट्स, नंबर्स ऑफ कॉकरोचेस. द कॉकरोच is in 500 numbers. What is the meaning of cockroach 500 in numbers? Their population of that cockroach, population of human being थोड़ी ना होता है. Yes, so population of different species is known as biotic. तो एक species और different species are living in a geographical region, it is known as what? ये define करना है. It is in a hierarchical system. Understood? Ecological system है जिसमें first there is an organs, then there is an organism, and then when there is a species, and the species is converting into what? Biotic community. और ये hierarchy आपको लिखनी है जब आ जाए in the maze, that you have to write. And thereafter, what is the name? Biotic community के लिए population of different species. And then now I said that there is a physical and abiotic community. कौन से है? Tell me. Physical and chemical. And in the physical we have light, temperature, moisture, air, water. Yes. And in the chemical abiotic community we have inorganic and organic. Nitrogen, sulfur, phosphates, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, silica and all. Yes. And in the biotic community, in organic abiotic community, in chemical organic, starch, lipids, fats, proteins, and all these we need always. Yes, it means I said that we need, so all the biotic community always interacting with this. Yes or not? Yes. Now, shall I remove this? No, I said that there is a biotic community, and in the biotic community what we have seen? Population of different species in a given geographical region, and this biotic community can be, yes, tell me, this biotic community can be, I said that, terrestrial, and that can be aquatic also. Yes or not? That can be terrestrial and that can be aquatic. in the terrestrial we can be able to see forest. Can I say it is in a kind of ecosystem also? लेकिन मैं just आपको अभी जाऊंगा यहाँ पे. There is some terrestrial it is there, मैं आऊंगा, and some are aquatic. Understand? So some population is living on the land and some population living in the what? Different species, and they are making it. So if I say that, so there is always there is a biotic community, and biotic community is in the form of terrestrial and what? Aquatic. They always keep on interacting with what I said, that abiotic. So मैंने क्या बोला? What is the next definition? Next one I said that it is what? Ecosystem. Ecosystem का definition को ध्यान से देखेंगे. I said that पहला point in ecosystem is what I said. It is an interaction between biotic and abiotic community. Second point in the ecosystem, I said that what is, I said grass is, there is a grass, and the grass is eaten by, I said that grasshopper, and grasshopper is eaten by, I said that frog, and frog is eaten by, I said that snake, and snake is eaten by hawk. Okay. So it is within an ecosystem. What is happening? I said that interaction within the biotic community also. So ecosystem में one are depending on the other. So what other point it is including? Interaction between biotic and abiotic community, and also it is an interaction within biotic community. Interaction within biotic community. So ecosystem can be, we can get this kind of ecosystem in the pond. हमें क्या मिल सकता है? Can I get in the pond? Can I get the ecosystem in the pond or not? It means I said that there is some animals which are living on each other and they are making their what is a livelihood. And this ecosystem में जब वो चलता रहे, then we'll say that it is an, I said that the best and healthy ecosystem. Best, right? It can be in a what lake, it can be in a river, it can be in a, I said that evergreen forest, it can be in a whole world also. It can be from the smallest to the largest. It can be anywhere where there is a biotic-abiotic interaction as well as interaction within the biotic.